Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Prius catalytic converter. Before starting, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment like safety glasses and gloves. Ensure the vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands. Finally, disconnect the 12-volt battery to prevent any electrical hazards during the process. Taking these initial steps will help ensure a safe and smooth removal. Once safety measures are in place, you'll need to prepare for disassembly. Locate all the exhaust bolts connected to the catalytic converter and spray them generously with penetrating oil. This will help loosen any rusted or seized bolts, making them much easier to remove. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors for the oxygen sensors. Finally, remove any heat shields that might be covering the catalytic converter assembly to gain full access. With the preparation complete, it's time to remove the converter itself. Begin by unbolting the catalytic converter from its connection to the exhaust manifold at the front. Then, proceed to detach the converter from the exhaust pipe at the rear connection point. Once all bolts are removed and connections are free, carefully lower the catalytic converter from the vehicle. It can be heavy, so be prepared to support its weight. After removing the old converter, when you're ready to install a new one, remember to always use new gaskets to ensure a proper, leak-free seal. Tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings to prevent future issues. This ensures everything is secure and functions correctly. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.